In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to collaborate in FigJam so you can work together live on the same canvas with your team, clients, or classmates. Whether you want to invite someone by email or share a link, FigJam makes collaboration fast, simple, and really effective. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your FigJam file. Once you're inside your design or whiteboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a blue share button there. This is where all the collaboration options are located, and it's the main place you'll use whenever you want to bring other people into your file. Go ahead and click that share button. When the sharing panel opens, you'll have a couple of ways to invite people. The first option is to enter your collaborator's email address. This is the best choice if you want to invite a specific person directly. Just type in their email and FigJam will send them access to the file. Now, before you send the invite, make sure you choose the correct permission level. FigJam gives you a few options, including can view, can comment, and can edit. If you only want someone to see the board, choose can view. If you want them to leave feedback without making changes, choose can comment. And if you want them to actively work with you on the board in real time, choose can edit. For true collaboration, can edit is usually the best option. If you don't want to invite people one by one, you can also copy a shareable link. This is super useful when you need to send the file to multiple people quickly. Just copy the link, then paste it into email, chat, or any team workspace you use. Again, double check the permissions attached to that link so everyone gets the correct level of access. Once your collaborator opens the file, they'll be able to work with you live on the same FigJam canvas, depending on the permissions you selected. That means you can brainstorm, make notes, add ideas, and update the board together in real time. It's a great way to speed up teamwork and keep everyone aligned. If at any point you need to change access, you can always return to the share settings and update permissions later. That way, you stay in control of who can view, comment, or edit your FigJam file, and that's how to collaborate in FigJam. Just click share, enter an email or copy a link, choose the right permission, and start working together live. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.